For this one here, I think for the mean should be quite fast. We know that it's just summation of t. Everything minus of 300 for all the data points. So you plus 300 back. Okay. Now let's talk about the variance. The unbiased estimate the population variance. Now you know in this is not given in MF26, but I want you to understand why. The question is, how come if you minus off 100, what you need to do is you just substitute this in. Okay. So meaning if your MF26 has got this, right, s square equals to 1 over summation x square over n, you can just replace this by this over here if it's the same unit now. And the question is why. Okay, if you understand it, that will be much better. So meaning to say you can just do this, replace this at that. Okay, now you don't need to memorize anything, but you actually already know why. So I'll explain to you why. Because variance t minus 300 equals to variance t plus variance 300, which is 0, right? So variance t minus 300 equals to variance t. Okay. It makes sense, what? Because your spread, if you remember your variance, right? Your variance is essentially just a measure of spread. It's not what do you call it? It's not position sensitive. It's independent of the position. So you minus off based on the mean. So in other words, right, s square is equals st, right? Make sense? Whether what you do lah, t minus 300. So you can just, so that's the reason why you find the, actually what you do is you're finding the variance of t minus 300, but variance t minus 300 is the same as variance t. So that's why we can just use the formula wholesale. Okay, so just remember that lah. If you understand this, then it's easier. Okay, so this is s square 1 over 200 minus 1, 22526. There you go.